Okay, that is it for Port Lincoln, Jack. We're off to Coffin Bay. 50 k's down the road. Let's see what that's got for us. Coffin Bay National Park. Caravan park. Let's see if we can get a cabin here. We don't really want to push on today, we want to have a look around here. So the Coffin Bay Caravan Park is completely booked out. So Jackie has found Mount Dutton, the wool shed. So it's 20 minutes from here, so we're just going to go there. But before we do, we're going to have a sneaky ride in the national park here. We've been told it's pretty cool, so we're going to do that. Alright, let's go to the national park. Jackie's just spotted a heap of emus and she wants to have a look. Well, you wanted to see a few emus up close. This is pretty close.
Pretty close. Look at that little fairy head.
Old mate here is looking like he wants to come over and say hello.
Yeah.
Oh well, let's head off to the national park. Yep, Coffin Bay National Park. Let's go and have a look. We're not staying here today in Coffin Bay, but can't come past here and not have a bit of a look through it. Let's have a look at this track. Four-wheel drive only. Oh yeah, we're used to this sort of rocky stuff, aren't we, Jack? So there, we're just coming into this one, and this is Jackie's first experience with sand. Hey?
I didn't do very well.
Yeah, I know, sand's one of those things that just takes a while to get used to, but crash number 1, 4 weeks in.
Yes.
Beautiful.
So now we've both crashed.
Yes, I crashed at 2 kilometres an hour and try and turn a corner and stalled it, and Jackie crashed in the sand. Alright, let's get this thing up. Well, that was Jackie's first taste of sand, and there'll be more to come. That is for sure. That's usually a soft landing. Point of void. That sounds like a place to go. Alright, let's see if we can find some more sand for you. Looks like you're going to ride straight into the ocean. Awesome spot. Push on further around those cliffs. Go up that way, I reckon. Oh, full on. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah. Beautiful looking beach.
Let's go to the next lookout.
That was Golden Island lookout. Gorgeous. Let's
wow, that looks pretty cool.
And that was Coffin Bay National Park. Heading out of Coffin Bay up to Mount Dutton, the Woolshed. On our way to our accommodation in town, Jackie says. About looking like in town. Anyhow, we're in the middle of nowhere. Is this it? Oh, this is cool. Hello.
I'm Jackie. Hi.
Hi, how are you going?
Good. Sorry, dogs. Do you want to just come in anyway? Or up on the other side of the tanks there's where you're staying. But
Yep.
you can put your bikes there if you want.
Yeah, and then we'll come in.
Come in and the door's open, so just go in and put all your gear in, then come in.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, check this joint out. How do you do this? Take us in the middle of nowhere and then find this little gem. Alright, after you, honey. You've organised this. Looks like a pretty small accommodation for 2 people. Oh, this is nowhere near big enough. We are cramped for space. Well, oi. Check this joint out. So this is for school camps. They haven't had people stay here for a while, but Jackie being Jackie gets this lady on the phone, chats her ear off. She's a motorbike rider and her name's Jackie, and before you know it, we're here. Should just be enough room, I reckon.
Yeah.
Hey, this do?
Yeah.
This is cool. Just going to take you for a bit of a look in this wool shed. It's just cool as a little cafe. It's got a museum attached to it. The lady that owns it, her name is Jackie. She's lived here her whole life. She's unbelievable, this woman. Rides bikes, is a pilot, runs this place. Wait till you see this. This is awesome. Check this out. This is like very early 1900s. She's fully restored it. Full on. Done a great job. 10 years to restore. It's heritage listed, I believe. She's got the museum in there. Might have a look at that in a minute. Just show you through here. There's Jackie. Speaking to Jackie. And my Jackie is just getting all our supplies. So yeah, this is a great setup. And it's right by the water. And my Jackie has done it again. Found another little hidden gem. So Jackie the owner has just said, don't worry about paying it, just go in and have a look. All on. Get a look at this. This is fantastic. Love this old stuff. I don't know how my wife does it, but she just comes across little hidden gems. She's done it again. Look at this. How cool is this?
It's so cool.
You find hidden gems everywhere.
And she said there's a ghost that whistles in here, but don't worry about him.
Right.
Oh.
Amazing, isn't it? God, she's done a fantastic job. Hasn't she?
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
That is amazing.
You've done such a good job of that. I can't believe it. It's better than all right.
Better than alright.
Everything's from here. Everything's from heritage space.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
But it does have a good feel to it.
It's got a great feel. You've done a fantastic job. Absolute credit to you. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So Jackie, the owner of the wool shed, has come over this morning with her bike just to show us, and I think she's going to throw a leg over Jackie's. A little Kawasaki road one. Very cool. Anyhow, we're going to get her to throw a leg over Jackie's bike. See how she looks on it. Come on, on you get.
Okay, here we are. This
Yep.
is the dream bike for me.
Yeah.
The adventure bike.
Yep, it's in gear, won't go anywhere.
We've gone from a farm hack to this.
Yep.
But the dream is an adventure bike.
Oh.
And as you can see, I know Jackie's legs.
Jack,
are
hold the front. It won't go anywhere. Yeah, you can get a toe down.
No, I got a toe down.
Yeah.
And so Jackie hangs onto this.
Yeah.
Going around Australia.
Yeah. You look perfect on it.
No. I need it to
Yeah.
Need a drop.
Yeah, it needs to be lowered.
It has been.
And it has been lowered.
But that's what I'm going to get.
Yeah, good on you.
Good.
So that's our stay at Dutton Bay, at the wool shed. We're heading off towards Elliston now. Lovely to meet Jackie, who's the owner here at the wool shed. She was just fantastic. We love the accommodation here, and she's just a fantastic lady. But it's time to go. You ready to go?
Yep.
Okay, let's head off to Elliston. Alright, off to Elliston. Let's go, Jack. And off to Elliston. Not sure if we're going to push on to Streaky Bay or whether we're going to stay here. We'll make some inquiries, have a look around, work it out from there. Not bad, not bad at all. I'll tell you what though, I did see that bakery on the way in, and I reckon I could murder something in there right now. Alright, let's go back there and get something to eat. Well, that was a quick little lunch stop in Elliston, and we are pushing on to Streaky Bay. That's where we're staying tonight. Jackie's found us a spot in the caravan park, unpowered site, happy days. He's back in the tent. K's. Smash this out, no problem. So Jackie and I are just coming out of Elliston along the road. This farmer bloke over here has just pulled us up and asked us if we can give him a hand. Getting his blocking a bit of traffic, getting his sheep across the road. So we thought why not? Here they come. Don't think we've got much of a job to do, but it's good to see. Good mate, how are you? Good. That's the way. Where are you bringing them? Just down the side? Yeah, no worries. Do you need a hand or you're right?
No, we're not.
All good?
Yeah, no, it's right.
Too easy, mate.
No worries.
All the best.
Yeah, see ya.
Catch up. No worries, mate.
Good on you, Paul.
Pleasure.
Good man. Good bloke.
No worries. Alright, Jack, our work here is done. Off to Streaky Bay. I don't know what it is with you and I and sheep, but that's twice now. Alright, let's get back on our trusty steeds and get out of here. So Jackie spotted the turn off to Talia Caves and said we are going, so we're off. So this is Talia Cave. I'm pretty sure Little spoke to Lisa.
Lisa.
Yep. It's on our list, little. We're coming to have a look. The result rests in your hands. Great spot though. This is magic. Okay, let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, this is cool. Wow. Awesome. Well done, Lisa. This is a winner. Absolute winner. Well, just coming back out of the cave after collecting the drone that happened to fly straight into the very end, lost full signal, full control, and just crashed into the end wall. Anyhow, went and retrieved it, all good. Wow, Lisa, this place is unreal. Thanks for the heads up. Absolute blast, this place. How good?
Yeah, it's cool.
Well done, Lise.
Very good. Thank you.
There it is, the cave. All right. On to Streaky Bay. Alright, so we're just leaving Talia Caves, got back to the main road, went to turn left, felt a bit funny in the front end, thought it was loose gravel, got off, had a look front tyre, flat front tyre. Not great, so we've been here for an hour. We've fixed it though, so that's good. It looks like the tube when we got changed it. Where were we?
Port Augusta.
At Port Augusta. They pinched the tube when they were changing it and said my ultra heavies were in good nick and they put it back in, but they pinched that tube and then they put another one in, but it looks like it's perished. I reckon it might have been an old one sitting on their shelf. It's just split in all sorts of spots. Just looks perishable. So anyhow, it's done. We fixed it. Probably took us an hour, but that's our first flat for the trip, and we're out of here. So we're a little bit late getting into caravan park, so they might be shut, but anyhow, we'll work it out. Let's get on the road. All right,
Okay.
let's go. Well, that is good to be back on the road. Flat tyre fixed. Done. And it is 4:45, we've probably got a good hour still to go. It'll be 4:45 roughly when we get in to Streaky Bay, and hopefully we can find somewhere to stay. But anyhow, we'll be right. It's all part of the adventure. So I've just pulled up 10 k's down the road after the flat tyre just to check the pressure. Pressure's good. Jackie's trying to get hold of the caravan park. We've been out of service. See if we can get this caravan park, or more to the point, to see if we can get this campsite. Seeing they'll be shut when we get there. So anyhow, she'll work her magic as she always does, and we'll have somewhere to stay. We're about, what, 60-70 k's from our destination. So anyhow, it's a rule o'clock. Have to ride a bit slower just to be safe, but we will get there. So this is Streaky Bay. We've made it. It's 10 to 6. After our flat tyre. We're riding when we really don't like to for wildlife, but yeah, do what you got to do. Made it in one piece, just rode slower. And this is the town we're looking for. And even better, bottle shop is still open. And there's the pub for tea. I don't think we'll be cooking tonight, but after that day. We are here. Well, fortunately Jackie rang ahead, got stuff left here for us, so we should be good. This looks like a pretty cool place. Nice ride on the water. Pretty busy though, but we may only be here for a day and push on, we'll see. Alright Dale, go and do your thing. Alright, so we're into the caravan park, we're set up. We're both knackered, we're not cooking tonight, we're going out to the pub for tea. Beautiful spot, but it's been a long day. Great day, bit of up and bit of down. It's all up from here. Couple of coldies at the pub, nice meal, and off